much, Suparna ma'am and Mithul ma'am. It was really great experience today attending this informating session. This is the first time I am attending such a session in my life, and I just entered house at 1:55. Uh, Today I had half a day, and in within 5 minutes I was just settling my laptop and I sat for the. I never thought I'll be able to sit for so long, but how the time went, I really don't know. It was such a informative part. Every part of it was really very nicely explained, ma'am. I'm so thankful to you, and I'm really sorry for the loss. What and all my team, it was really great. We had a very good group discussion. I thank each one of you all. Thank you so much, ma'am.